Hello students, welcome all of you. Last lecture we have already studied topic number 3a, demand analysis. In this topic, meaning, definition of demand, individual demand schedule and market demand schedule, then types of demand, factors affecting market demand and law of demand. Now today we are going to study next concept in this topic, variation in demand and change in demand. Variation in demand, two types, expansion in demand and contraction of demand, and change in demand, two types, increase in demand and decrease in demand. Variations in demand, when the demand for a commodity falls or rises due to a change in price alone and other factors remain constant, it is called variations in demand. Students, variation in demand, when the demand for a commodity falls or rises due to change in price, means here only price change, no change in other factors remaining same, means a country's population size constant, taste, habit, fashion constant, government policy constant, advertisement constant, consumers income constant, complementary and substitute good price constant, only change in price, it is called variation in demand and other factors remaining same. Variations in demand, two types. Number one, expansion of demand. Expansion of demand refers, just here, expansion of demand refers to rise in quantity demanded due to fall in price alone, while other factors like taste, income of the consumer, size of population, etc. remain unchanged. Expansion of demand refers to rise in the quantity demanded due to fall in price. Means when price fall or when price decreases, quantity demanded increases. Here only change in price. Means price falls, quantity demanded increases, means demand increase, demand extend. It is called expansion of demand. Here other factors, income, population, taste, habit, government policy, advertisement, complementary and substitute goods price also constant, only change in price. And expansion of demand means when price falls, quantity demanded rise or increases, it is called expansion of demand. Just see diagram, students. Expansion of demand, on a x-axis quantity demanded in kgs and on y-axis price in rupees. So original price P, then quantity demanded Q, means price OP, then quantity demanded OQ. Price falls P to P1, then quantity demanded increases Q1. Just see arrow here, price falls means downward, and here quantity demanded increases means expansion. Then when connect the point A and point B, then DD demand curve, downward slope, from left to right point A to B. Here arrow also decline means extend A point to B point, quantity demanded expansion, quantity demanded increases, it is called expansion of demand. Listen once again, expansion of demand means when price falls, quantity demanded increases. In diagram, price falls P to P1, then quantity demanded increases Q1. It is called expansion of demand. Then second, contraction of demand. Opposite, contraction of demand refers to a fall in demand, refers to a fall in demand due to rise in price alone. Means price increases or rise, demand fall or decreases, it is called contraction of demand. Here same other factors like consumer taste, fashion, habit constant, income of the consumer constant, size of population constant, means only change in price, means when price increases or rise, quantity demanded decreases or fall, it is called contraction of demand. Here other factors remaining same. Just see graphical presentation or diagram. On x-axis quantity demanded in kgs and y-axis price in rupees. Here original price OP and original quantity demanded OQ. When price increases, arrow here, see, price increases P1 here, P1, then quantity demanded, price increases, quantity demanded decreases, Q1, means here arrow P1 price increases, then here arrow Q1 quantity demanded decreases, means price rise, quantity demanded falls or decreases, it is called contraction of demand. Here other factors remaining same. Then when I connect here first original point B and then next point A. Point B to A, arrow also upward, arrow upward means quantity demanded decreases, and here arrow downward means quantity demanded increases. So DD demand curve was same, downward slope from left to right. So variations in demand, two types, expansion of demand and contraction of demand. So when the demand for commodity falls or rise due to change in price, means price falls, quantity demanded increases, it is called expansion of demand. And here opposite, when price increases, quantity demanded decreases, it is called contraction of demand. So variation in demand, two types, expansion of demand and contraction of demand. Here note once again, only change in price, other factor remaining same. Next point, change in demand. When demand for a commodity increases or decreases due to changes in other factors and price remain constant, it is known as change in demand. Student, variation demand, other factors remaining constant, only change in price. And here opposite, when demand for a commodity increases or decreases due to change in other factors, and here price also constant. Other factors means income of the consumer increases or decreases, size of population change, consumer taste, habit, fashion change, government policy change, advertisement. So these are the other factors change, and price here constant. It is it is known as change in demand. So change in demand, number one, increase in demand. Number one, increase in demand. Just see here, increase in demand, it refers to increase in quantity demanded due to favorable changes in other factors like taste, income of the consumer, climate conditions, and price remains constant. Increase in demand means when income of the consumer increases, demand increases. Good climatic conditions, demand increases. Consumers favorable change in taste, habit, passions, demand increases. Size of population increases, demand increases. So favorable change in other factors and quantity demanded increases, and here price constant, it is called increase in demand. Just see diagram, increase in demand. On x-axis quantity demanded in kgs and y-axis price in rupees. So price OP, price OP constant, no change in price, and quantity demand also change OQ to OQ1. So original demand curve when price OP, then quantity demanded OQ, original demand curve DD, here point A, and then price constant OP, favorable changes like income of the consumer increases because quantity demanded increases QQ1, no change in price, price OP constant, only change in quantity demanded because of size of population increases. So next demand curve D1, demand curve, here point B means here arrow, point A to B, quantity demanded increases, only change in other factors like income of the consumer increases or size of population increases, demand increases, it is called increase in demand, here price OP constant. So original demand curve DD, here point A, quantity demanded, and point B next means D1 and D1 demand curve, here point B means arrow, point A to B, quantity demanded increases, it is called increase in demand. Next second, decrease in demand, opposite, it refers to decrease in quantity demanded due to unfavorable changes, here favorable and here unfavorable changes in other factors like taste, income of the consumer, climate conditions, etc., and price remains constant. Decrease in demand means unfavorable changes. Unfavorable changes means taste, habit, fashion, unfavorable change. Income of the consumer decreases, bad weather conditions or bad climate conditions, size of population decreases, means when unfavorable changes in other factors because of quantity demand decreases, it is called decrease in demand, here price remains constant, means no change in price, only other factors unfavorable changes, means demand decrease or demand falls, it is called decrease in demand. Just see diagram, decrease in demand, on x-axis quantity demanded in kgs and y-axis price in rupees. So here same y-axis original price OP also constant, then original quantity demanded OQ, just see carefully, original quantity demanded OQ, then original demand curve DD, here point A, and new demand curve D1 quantity demanded decreases because income of the consumer decreases, size of population decreases because of bad weather or climate conditions, because quantity demanded decreases. So here point A to B arrow also decreases, means quantity demanded Q to Q1 decreases when price OP also constant. So change in demand, two types: increase in demand and decrease in demand. Increase in demand means favorable changes in other factors, price constant, and decrease in demand means unfavorable changes in other factors, price here constant. Students, today we have studied variation demand. In a variation demand, two types: expansion of demand and contraction of demand, and change in demand. In a change in demand, two types: increase in demand and decrease in demand. I hope you understand both two concepts, and this concept asked in examination in a distinguish for 2 marks or ask a 2 marks question. So students, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.